How do we factor a quadratic expression with leading coefficient that's negative? Let's look at negative 4x squared plus 4x minus 1. If we use the method that we talked about before, we would multiply the negative 4 times the negative 1 and factor the related polynomial, which would be x squared plus 4x plus 4. In this case, we would have to look for factors of 4 that add up to 4. Those are 2 and 2. And so we would have x plus 2 times x plus 2. Bring back in the negative 4 and divide out by the GCF of 2 in both cases. And we would get negative 2x plus 1 times negative 2x plus 1. We see there's a problem when we multiply that back because negative 2x times negative 2x is positive 4x squared, and that's not what we started with. So we need to approach this in a different way. That is, let's factor out the negative 1. So we start with a leading coefficient that's positive. So here's the original polynomial. Factor out a negative 1, and we get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Now we can multiply this 4 times this 1 and factor the related polynomial, which is x squared minus 4x plus 4. Now we're looking for factors of 4 that add up to negative 4, and those are negative 2 and negative 2. So we have x minus 2 times x minus 2, bringing back in the 4 and dividing out by the GCF, we get 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. Bringing that back over here, we have negative 1 times 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. We can multiply through by the negative 1, and we would get negative 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. The way to check that is to FOIL it back out. So negative 2x times positive 2x is negative 4x squared. Negative 2x times negative 1 is positive 2x. 1 times 2x is also positive 2x. And 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So the polynomial is negative 4x squared plus 4x minus 1. And that's exactly what we started with. So now we're done.